Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into American Express secure method step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official American Express website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your user ID and password. First, enter your user ID in the designated field. Be sure to double-check that there are no typos before continuing. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Again, verify that your password is correct to avoid login issues. Once both fields are filled out, look for the login button on the page. Click on the login button to submit your credentials. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, check to ensure your user ID and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the corresponding links for recovery options. Follow the prompts for resetting your password or retrieving your user ID. Always ensure you are using a secure internet connection when logging into your account. If you are using a public computer, consider logging out after your session. Remember, keeping your account information confidential helps protect against unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.